You've probably spent too much money on English lessons, or you've spent a lot of time teaching yourself English, but it's taking way too long to speak confidently. I will teach you everything you need to know in order to speak English confidently in just 90 minutes. This is not like any English lessons you've had before. Here's why you're not fluent. One, you think that learning English is way too difficult. And I understand why. That's simply because you are not confident. You're not confident because there's no clear lesson plan. Two, you're learning wrong. You're learning new words every day and you're trying to remember them. You'll remember them tomorrow, but in 1 month from now, you will forget them. And that's because you're using the wrong method. My name is Nartigya, and I have tutored over 10,000 students over the past 7 years. I have tutored with many English teaching companies, and what I've seen is that all of the students, or most students, have spent years spending time and spending money learning English, but still they're not pretty confident with their English. And that is for so many reasons. I want to show you what we do in our classes, how we have helped our students to move from being timid and shy and even afraid of speaking English into becoming confident English speakers. And I want to show you that in our next workshop. So please register, it's free, and I can't wait to see you there.